Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Let's start it. Today in this video you will learn how to use stress of letters like a native Russian speakers. If letter O takes stress, we read it like O. O. We pronounce it O. Letter O takes stress. We read it O. O. If it do not take stress, it does not take stress, we read it A. A. We must pronounce A. If letter Y takes stress, we pronounce it like Y. Y. If it doesn't take stress, we read it E. For example, in this word, begat, letter E takes stress. We read it как E. Begat, begat. But in the second word, бежат, E doesn't take stress. We read it E, like E. Бежат, бежат, бежат. The next word, бороться, бороться. The first O doesn't take stress. For that, we pronounce it like A. Бороться. And which letter takes stress? We must read a bit noisy, like that. Бороться, бороться. The first O doesn't take stress, and the second O took stress. For that, first A, the second is O. Бороться. The next word is бронировать. In letter E, we must pronounce it a bit noisy. Бронировать, бронировать, бронировать. Here you can see the O doesn't take stress. For that, we pronounce it like A. Бронировать. The second O doesn't take stress too. For that, we pronounce it like A. Бронировать, бронировать. Next word is действовать. Вот, действовать. Here you can see letter E took stress. For that, we read it a bit noisy. Действовать, действовать. Here you can see O doesn't take stress. We read it A. Действовать, действовать. The next word is благодарить. O doesn't take stress. For that, we read it A. Благодарить, 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 благодарить. Read we must pronounce bit noisy. Her ballet, 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 ballet. Yeah, took stress for that. We read it like yeah, like yeah. Or doesn't take stress for that. We read it ballet, ballet, ballet. The next word is бояться, 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 бояться. Or pronounces like верить, верить, верить. Not верить, верить. Делать, делать. Look at the words. Which letter takes stress? We must read it bit noisy. Делать, верить, бояться, болеть, благодарить, действовать, бронировать, бороться, бежать, бегать. With this ends my video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video.